In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a rules channel on Discord. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, what I mean by the the rules channel is basically a channel that gives the rules and regulation that would be guided in every Discord server, right? So if you have been in some other Discord servers, you'd see the rules and regulation channel where individuals update the rules that should be kept with, right? So for us to create a rules channel here on our Discord server, what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna click on here, right? I'm gonna click on the create channel. So I want to create the rules channel. I can name this channel rules and regulation, right? Rules and regulation. So once I'm done, I'm gonna click the enter, create. So you can see I just created the rules and regulation channel right here, and yeah, it's left for me to update the rules and regulation that should be abided with here in this channel. If you found this video helpful, share it in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.